Hey, what's up guys? Today we got a 2015 Ford Escape and we're gonna be doing the cabin air filter, and it's under the glove box. Usually you'd have a black cover here. There's two little black things you pull down right here and here. That cover will drop down. So we gotta undo this screw right here, and that's a T20, a TORX 20. I'll leave a link in the description box for Amazon for you. Now, once you got that screw out, if you're not careful, it'll fall down here. So make sure you got a nice little area for it to fall into. And then we come in here, pull these two tabs, pull towards the passenger side, and it comes out. Now, we have the air filter. Notice the orientation. Gray side's towards the motor, white side towards the passengers. Reach in here, grab it. It's probably super nasty. This one's probably never been changed. And you really just gotta like shimmy it around. Wow. Yeah, look at that. This is up to the sun right now. That's no good. You should be getting light through that pleating. Zero light coming through the pleating. And just to show you the difference, this is a brand new Bosch one I got off of Amazon. See the light coming through? That's perfect. All right, now to get this one in, you gotta come up. So remember, it's really tight in here. So this is an accordion style air filter. So you kind of just accordion it in. It's really stupid, but that's how you do it. And you really need two hands. I'm gonna use two hands for it. Like I said, it's an accordion, so you can smash it down a little bit if you need to, and then put it in. Okay, so after fighting with it for a few, like I said, you just kind of gotta keep smashing it and moving it. And then once you get it in there, just shake it around a little bit. Let it build itself back up. All right, guys. So in order to get it back in there, this is a little panel cover right here. And you can see it's got this little notch up here. This is the top part. That's the bottom down here where the screw goes in. So when we put it back in, we need to line that top notch part up at the top, and you can't see it, so you kind of just gotta feel around for it when you get it up towards the top there, and then like that. Not like that. So if you put your hand towards the top here, you can feel the little post that it needs to go onto. So you get it lined up with that little post there. And then push it in like that. There we go. Now it's nice and tight. Now we can put our screw back in. We're good. Now we can just take our T20, screw, and go finger tight first, and then finish it off with the driver, and then that's it. You're done. And thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Help out the channel. I appreciate you guys. Thanks. Bye.